Do you know that wiping your butt with toilet paper is just smearing fecal matter, and that using water is more effective, more gentle, more hygienic, less expensive, and just better for the environment?
I came across video on bideting, and I think it's very controversial. It depends on what part of the world you live in. Bideting is the method of cleaning the behind with water from a container or electronic bidet. So in those parts of the world where clean water supply is a problem, I think bideting creates a health hazard. There is a possibility of fecal oral transmission of diseases like hepatitis A. Also, there is the possibility of cross-contamination. Even though bideting it's more economical, more friendly to the environment, cheaper, easy to use, it comes with myriads of problems. There is a greater chance that it's possible to catch diseases like MRSA, C. diff, Klebsiella, E. coli, or even antibiotic-resistant bacteria like the ESBL can be transmitted through sharing of that bidet equipment. It's also not a good idea for patients who are immunocompromised, HIV patients, cancer patients, patients going through chemotherapy, patients with anal fissures, fistula, spinal cord injury patients, or even patients who are hospitalized or patients who have any form of open area in the behind. So it might be a good idea to use the electric bidet more than the ones that you have to handle, like that comes like in containers or kettles or plastic containers. The use of electric bidet offers the opportunity of controlling the temperature of the water. It is more sanitary than the one that everybody touches, and you really don't know who used the equipment last, whether they wash their hand very well, whether there's some feces smeared on the container. To me, personally, if you're living in the part of the world where water is not a problem, maybe it's a good idea. Personal preference actually matters. I mean, if you feel like you feel more clean using it, go ahead. Make sure you thoroughly wash your hand at the end. Personally, I think I prefer to use wet wipe than bidet. I don't know. What do you think?